Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make this little cute round crochet headphone storage pouch. To make that, I have taken crochet size 3 mm and the appropriate wool for that. We will make 3 chain and then connect the chain to a loop. That will make a loop, and after that we will take 1 chain and make 6 single crochet inside that loop and close the first round. For the second round, we will make 2 half double crochet in each of the chain that we see on top and finish the second round. For the third and the fourth round, we will make 1 half double crochet on first chain and 2 half double crochet on the next, and continue until we close the loop. For the fifth and the final round, we will make 1 single crochet on each of the chain and close the loop. Once you have reached the end, now make a knot by pulling through the wool through the loop, like so. I have made yet another in blue color, and this is same size as the red one. And now I'm going to make 2 to 4 chains depending on the size of the bead you're going to use for the button, and then close the loop on. And we will make another knot just to finish your work. And I'm going to leave some of the finishing wool to stitch the 2 pieces together. So this is our front side, and when stitching we are going to put the front side in and the back side out, that we will turn it inside out later. So I'm going to stitch the 2 pieces together all around, leaving a gap of 2 centimeters, 2 to 4 centimeters, where we are going to use to put our headphones in and put a button in the middle. Now the stitch is complete, and I'm going to make it inside out. And this is our pouch that is almost ready. We will add a button to it. You can choose any color button, any design that you like. These are my earpods, and there you go. It is making a very good pouch for my little earpods. Quite happy with this project. I have chosen a pearl blue color bead that I'm going to attach on the blue side, because my loop is on the red side of the pouch. And there you go, my little pouch is ready. This, you can choose any color that you prefer, a single color or double color like mine. I have made yet another that is a rainbow color, and you can use it for yourself. You can offer it to others as a gift. So thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye. Bisous.